Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional. The additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, June the 6th, 2024. D-Day, and also the European election. We have here 7 extra puzzles. The letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Right now, yes. Not all. Why not? Well, too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, I've already solved this afternoon 3 regular puzzles. Alright, let me continue with the 3 star Sudoku. Number 8667. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Wow, this one. That's a lot. 32 printed digits. It's the same. Publisher. 3 stars puzzles. It's 25 printed digits usually, yeah. This one is 32. So 7 digits more. Well. Should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need 14, maybe 30 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So, let's get started. Alright. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the 9 in this row, the 9 in the row below? So last row, the only place level 9 should be there. Then let me see. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places level 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this column. Second column, 1 of the missing number in this column is a number 9. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. So the only place level 9 should be there. Alright, 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. About an 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between. Only place level 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 place level 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this second column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this big square, no 2 there. 2 should be in the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in this big square. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes to there. Then, let me see. Need 7 there. Yep. 2 numbers left in the third row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in the middle column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 7 in this column. 7 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next. The only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the middle row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. How about 1, 5, 4, 5, 5. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so the last row. The only place left for 4 is should be there. 4, 4. Okay, 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4, 4, okay. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. On that column, the only place level 2 should be there. We have a pair, the 2 and the 7 in the third row, the 2 and the 7 in the second row, so in the first row. Only 2 places level, the 2 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes and there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing, 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Do we have all 9s? 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of them missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 and the 6 is missing. 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, and look, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. So the 1 and the 6 are left. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only place level 6 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Alright. Okay. Then let me see. How about? Yeah. 2 numbers left in this. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Okay, the 3 here. 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers. 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, on the last column, and only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the middle row, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8 cannot fill this yet. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 5 in this column, last column, 5 in the column next, so that column, the only place left for the 5 is should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the row below, so the last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. 9 minutes. Well, told you. Cannot be a 3, 2, 1 stars. Should be a 0 stars, and faster than 14, 30 minutes. Of course, with 32 printed digits. Wrong indication, publisher, wrong indication. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.